Hello guys, it's me here again, Chige Natural Remedies. So guys, in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys the drink that you'll be drinking that make you to look younger than your age. Age 50 will look like age 20, you know what I mean? So this is like anti-aging drink. So if you want to look younger than your age and just want to glow, just keep on watching. But guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, if I'm watching my video, have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, share and comment. Let's just get into the video without wasting much of your time.
First thing we need for this drink is our apple. From our process, I'm gonna cut it. I'm using one full apple. If you want it to be much, you can go ahead and make it in a bigger way. So I'm adding it into the plate. So guys, the next thing we need now is our carrots. So I'll just peel out the back of the carrot. Then I'll slice it. Okay, the next thing we need like is our cucumber. Then I'll add it to the plate. So guys, the next thing we need right now is our ginger. So guys, this is the punch I'm gonna add. Now just slice it for easy blending. And I'll add it to the plate. So guys, right here we have cucumber, carrots, ginger and apple inside it. So right now I'm going to add into the blender and blend it. I'm going to add all inside the blender. And I'll add 2 cups of water for easy blending. So I've blended it up. So guys, right now I'm going to set it aside. The next thing we need now before I strain it is our orange. If you want to do a large quantity, you can go ahead and add up all the fruit we use for this. So that I'm doing not too much, however I'm using 1 orange for it. So guys, this is the juice. So I'm going to keep the fiber. Remember not to throw away your fiber, you still use it, okay? So right now I'm going to use my strainer. I'll use my spoon to just press out the juice from it. Okay. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, share and comment. Don't forget to share this video guys. Like this video, share it, comment, okay?
So guys, this drink works so well. It works so well. You know, this is just natural, no artificial.
You can go ahead and suggest for me any video at all you need to do. Just to go ahead and suggest, I'll definitely do that. Okay, so just keep on watching. So guys, right now I'm gonna turn it, but then you wanna add the orange juice. I'll just turn it very. So guys, right now I'm going to turn it into the cup. So guys, this is just what you need. Every day to look younger, to look healthy. Okay, just go ahead, drink it every day. Guys, this is anti-aging drink. Anti-aging drink, you know, looking young, sweet, nice looking. This is the drink you need. Okay, just drink it every day. Drink it first thing in the morning. You wake up in the morning, just drink it first thing in the morning. You see how your skin will be, your skin fat will be pumping. So yeah guys, here comes the end of the video. Hope you guys love it, hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Bye, see you guys in the next video.